Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, it's another clothing haul. This clothing haul is by the company called Chicme. I got a few pieces from 2 weeks. Listen, let me give you guys a quick rundown. I got these pieces I ordered them exactly 2 weeks before Black Friday, 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, and I received them a couple days before Christmas. I'm not sure if it's because of the holiday time or what, but that was horrible. That was a long wait. So if you guys can do the long wait, but hopefully the wait was worth it. After waiting so long, hopefully the outfits make up for that, because I don't know, brother. I don't know if I'll be able to do that again. But anyways, let me show you the pieces that I got. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so what I'm wearing is the first piece from Chicme. This is a pajama onesie, furry, Christmas type of style. I'm gonna leave the names of each items here on the screen, and also the links in the description box, just in case somebody might like something that I tried. So anyways, it's a onesie, furry, very furry. Like every time you touch it, fur just a fly off. But listen, you get what you pay for. I think it have 2 ears too, you know. I don't want to put it. Oh, see it here. Can't really know put this on my ear right now for it up. I really wasn't expecting all this fur. Like the fur literally a drop off or the something and a fly all about the place. Honestly, I bought this onesie out of curiosity. Yeah, it's not something that I will be wearing. I just saw it and I was curious, and let me show you guys why I was curious. Alright, so see the full fit here. Like I said, it look like a teddy bear in this, but this is the reason why I was curious, because right here so is button. You can open it. I'm not gonna show my on YouTube, so I'll leave a picture here. It's a bit warm, it's comfy. The material is soft on my skin. You can zip it up and down. Plus, you know, alright, this is the second outfit, which is a t-shirt and biker shorts, color gray. This was actually buy one get one free. So instead of getting 2 for myself, I got another size and gave it away. So like I said, this is a t-shirt. I was you know what, my expectations was not high, because you get what you pay for. But I was hoping that this would be like some type of cotton, you know, because I love biker shorts, but I love cotton. If I'm wearing leggings, it has to be cotton. It has to be that material that's not itchy. But this is not bad, you know. It's just I don't know, it's just So this is the biker shorts. I feel like I could have sized down too. I don't know, I might be picky, I don't know, but yeah, this is it. It's like one of those silky material, but nevertheless I can wear this to do errands. No dressing up business. This is just like for errands purposes, I would say, because yeah. But anyways, this is fit number 2. I'm not gonna stay too long on that one here. So the next one is this Burberry cousin, because this is not Burberry, no, this is Burberry cousin. First of all, when I saw this on the model, I thought the material was gonna give like that leather type of it. I'm gonna put a picture right here and tell me what it looks like in the picture to you guys, because I thought it was giving leather, not the real leather, but like a material close to that. I don't know what you call it. I don't know what it's called, but baby, this is a church shirt. You know them church shirt material where the pastor them wear under the tuxedo, or you know, I want church shirt. This is another jacket. I like the style that it's giving, but I thought the material, like, why was my expectation? Krissy, you know better. That's what I like about Chicme. It gives you the, what you call it, the dupes of designer, like the designer dupes. Yeah. So it has, let me see if this is real pockets. Boy, you wish. At least one of them. Guys, comment down below and tell me what I can wear with this. Like, I'm gonna wear like a little white dress underneath it with some boots. I'm just trying to make the best out of this, you know, because guess what, it's gonna get weird. I'm gonna say it's gonna get weird, cheap or not, church. Me, I will turn style in a fashion and fashion in a style, because me I gonna fix it, but me have to know me I gonna put it together with, and how me I gonna put it together and put it together, because sometimes I have to just step back things and make joke, yeah, brother. You know what? I could actually wear this as a dress, you know? How short it is. Nah, never mind. Guys, I'm putting on a dress. Tell me how my head I got hold through this. There's no opening in the back. I'm showing you guys before I try to force my head through this, you know. It might pop. So I'm gonna let me show you before I actually push my head through this. Barely have any stretch. It's supposed to be an halter. Part of a dress. Be right back. So guys, in order for me to wear this dress properly, I'm gonna have to cut this and try to make something out of myself. I'm gonna have to cut it and figure it out. I let my mom do it because she into the whole sewing and clothing and fashion. So yeah, I'm gonna let my mom deal with this part for me, because ain't no way. So they're supposed to go around my neck like this. Let me try to give you an idea. It's supposed to go around my neck like this, right? And then one side of the dress supposed to be like a drop shoulder. I'm gonna just tuck it in, right? But embarrassment. So something like so. You know, I'm gonna be wearing a strapless bra or whatever. And this is the dress. It barely have any stretch. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling this. But it's not giving comfy, you know. But let me know what you guys think. Guys, I am not trying to be picky. I'm not trying to be a complainer, just keep complaining about these clothes, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna pretend like it's all good. This is a mess. Like, I'm pretty sure bigger head than mine out there. What? Chicme. Is this a scam? Would you guys call this a scam? No. I don't like to bring down companies and stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure the person who started this company, everybody had try get a come up, all of that stuff, but come on, don't trick the people in with the models. Like, who for ever go fit through right here, so how me ever go through here, so huh? Alright, so this is another outfit. This is a camo shorts and t-shirt. It's not a biker shorts, it's just regular shorts. It's the Gallery Department brand, which alright, let me tell you what I like. Even though it's big, I'm not even gonna complain about that part, but let me tell you what I like about this. The Gallery dept is not, it's not glued on, you know, like the letter them where you can tear off. No, it's actually a part of the material, and I like that. I love that. I love that. The material is not the best. It's another silky business, and it big. See that, guys? It big. The shirt big, everything big. But what I said, I'm gonna dress this up. See the shorts? The shorts also says Gallery Dept, Gallery Department. I love that brand. I don't know why, but I have a special love for Gallery Department. I actually have the original, not the dupes, the designer dupes. I actually have a a t-shirt from Gallery Department, and I love the material. I just love it. I love it. And the back it says Hollywood. I'm gonna leave a picture right here. If you watch my vlog where I was at the fair, you see it. That's what I like about this. It says Gallery Dept here and also on the shorts. So how I'll be wearing this, I'm gonna try to wear it like this, where I tie it. Let's see how that looks. If I tie it like so, you know, just give it a little sexy look. Baby, ain't nothing sexy about this. I don't know. But yeah, we'll give it a little tie, you know, and you know, just eventually we start drinking about my protein shake, get back my gains in my legs and stuff, because I realize, you know, it's all gone. I'm gonna try to get it back. This would be it, guys. Guys, I honestly wish it had pockets. That would have been dope. Alright, KK squad, so now we're getting somewhere. Now it's starting to look like I'm getting somewhere with these outfits. This is actually a two-piece set with the pullover. The material is, I'll give the material at 80%, right? And the essential, it says essentials right here. You know, the essentials Fear of God brand, which is not supposed to be down here, so it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be up here. But they probably think my chest is down here, so that's fine. The reason why I like this is because it fits properly on me. It actually fits properly, the outfit itself. The pants, it says essentials Fear of God. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully it picks up on camera. Besides all of that, I really do love how it fits me. Like, yeah, it just fit like a regular, what do you call them here again? Sweatpants? No, the word's not coming to me right now, baby. The word's not coming to me. The pants, it has pockets, as you can see. The top has that kangaroo pockets here as well. It's just elastic at the foot here, at the ankle, and I like it. I actually like how it fits. I like the brown on me. I like this color on my skin, also yellow, you know. Yeah, but I do like it, you know. Not sure if it's giving what it's supposed to give on camera, but like I said, I actually do like this. At least me get something good out of all of them try on, you know. Yeah. So we have another gallery department here. This one, the brown one has a little bit more stretch than this one, because this was a little bit hard to pull it over my head. I heard a little while doing it, but I like it, you know. Like I say, you get what you pay for. Anyways, like as you can see, it says Gallery Dept on the front. This one has the kangaroo pockets, but the pants, all right, so the pants, no, the pants says Gallery Department, Gallery Dept, but there's no pocket on the sides. The pockets are actually down here, right here, which I kind of find cool. I like it cool. I think the original one to this, like the one on the Gallery Department website, the pockets are here as well, but I'm pretty sure they have more pockets. But like I said, it fits good. Listen, you get what you pay for. I'm not gonna stop saying that. You get what you pay for. but I like it. All right guys, so far the brown outfit is my favorite. Essentials, this one is my second favorite. No, the brown essential is my favorite. The camo is my second favorite, you know, due to the fact that the words are there to stay. But this one is my third favorite, and everything else I'll figure it out as I go because they're gonna get wear. But I have one more item to show, and it's some Yeezy. What? Yeezy. But these look huge. These look, this is supposed to be a size 7, but from the looks of it, this is, baby, no, this is the smallest size they have, the smallest size 7, and it's still too big for me. What do you call them, clogs? Don't quote me, but I know they're big. I usually record my shoes when I try them on, but this one, I'm not even gonna do that because I already know it's big. Let me just put my foot in. I'm gonna take a shower after this, guys. I know I'm just putting my foot into stuff, and you know, I always wash my stuff before I actually wear them. So I'm gonna take a shower, and yeah, let me look in the mirror first before I'm showing. Bro. But it's telling you, but it's telling you it's big. It's big. Look, see, there's a lot, guys. There's a lot of space in the back. A lot. It's big. Honestly, guys, if this was a 6.5, these shoes would be perfect because it's firm, it's solid. Like the material they made these clogs out of, 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, it's firm. This not breaking anytime soon. I can tell that. This type of material, the shoes, not breaking anytime soon. But if it was like a 6.5 or something, perfecto. So I just might have to give this to somebody. Who gonna like this? And it's fake, because everybody bad and bougie these days. Everybody bad and bougie, and everybody can't find the money to buy them something here. So the real one. So who won't hate this? Nobody. But anyways, guys, that's it for this haul. Comment down below, please, guys. Comment down below your thoughts on these items. Let me know if I'm tripping, if I'm overdoing it, or you agree. Just let me know. I like the truth, and I respond to every comment in my comment sections. Every comment. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and please remember to hit that like button. Subscribe, please. Stay tuned for my next upload. This video is gonna be my last video recording for 2022, because it's like 2020 for 2022, because 2023 is in 2 days. Yeah, so happy New Year's, everyone. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna come out next year, because probably 2 days from now I'll be putting it up on New Year's Day or a couple days after. But anyways, stay safe, everyone, and enjoy your holidays. Bye.